Good evening, everyone. This is Professor Chisholm. I apologize for the delay. I had some things that sort of got in the way, but I got everything resolved, so I'm back on track. So let's see what we need to do for this week. All right, so for we're week 8, 5 more weeks to go. Outstanding job so far, guys. You guys are really doing a great job with these assignments. And this week we're going to do a visual diary, and you can find this on page 101 of the Graphic Design Thinking book, okay? And it says that step 4 is optional. So this is going to be very general. This is going to be pretty much just to see what you guys come up with, okay? Post your work and link to anything digital. Now, let's make sure this is also, you need to respond to 2 of your peers in this, okay? So it says how to start a visual diary. Define parameters. How regular are the entries? Will you work in a journal or post online? Will there be a theme to your diary, or will it roam untamed? Ask yourself questions. Experiment with new media and shelved ideas. This is a great, okay, so I have an idea book. I don't necessarily write in it every day or do things in every day, but I have it, okay? And every year I have a new one, okay? And I fill it up fast, depending. Some days there's more things in it or not. But it's when I see something that inspires me, I always want to actually either write it down, or in the middle of the night, if something comes to me, I'll wake up, sketch it out. So this is what this is. So this is anything you want it to be, guys. So this is your visual diary. But figure out, for me, it's random. Now, you might be, you might be a little more organized or, OCD on it, right? So it says stick to the rules. Big projects tend to dominate your schedule. Free yourself by dedicating a little time each day to making something. 15 minutes of unguided creativity could solve a month's worth of overthinking. And, it really comes down to, and it's true, you got to really clear your mind and really give your time to be able to connect with that creativity, right? I'll tell you, I have to connect with it every day because it's what keeps me going. If I don't do something creative every day, then it's a sad day for me. So figure it out, and sketch stuff every day. So, like with a traditional journal, you're writing, but in this case, it's a visual journal. So it's drawing, it's whatever you want it to be. Work in series. If certain medium or method excites you, try it again the next day and the next. Make each entry a thoughtful follow-up to the last. That's how little things grow into bigger projects. And my journal could be colored pencils, regular graphite pencils. It could be charcoal. It could be pastels. I had a watercolor journal one time, so I was able to actually do watercolor in it. It's up to you. I also colored Sharpies. I had a phase where I did Sharpies. Of course, it bled through the pages, so it was bad. It says share your work, create a blog or a Flickr account. Yeah, that's optional. That's up to you. And keep going. Make your more valuable endeavor. Build up the graphic arsenal. Harvest the good stuff. Glance through the journal when it's time to tackle bigger projects. And I'll tell you, I've been able to go back and look through my journals and get inspiration for other projects through this, okay? So you're going to start a visual diary. Now, it doesn't tell you exactly how many days here, guys, but seeing as this is due on Friday, I would hope that you guys would at least do at least 3 or 4 days here, and this is something that you'll need to continue doing through the class, okay? So there you go. So that's what you're going to do for the 8.1. And now for 8.2, find a coffee table book that you feel has been designed well inside and out. Post some good images of it. Cover and the interior shots tell us about what the design makes you think is a good example of book design. Feel free to reference the book design chapter in graphic design process. Yeah. So I happen to have, I inherited a Harry Potter coffee table book. It's actually beautiful. It's beautifully, it's leather bound, and it's pretty much, it shows all the behind the scenes stuff. It's a great book. I really enjoy it, but it was given to me. I am a fan of Harry Potter, but I didn't realize I was that big of a fan. So I think people misconstrue sometimes when I like something, but it's okay. It's a beautiful book. The cover is really interesting. I love the texture that's created by the leather, but they've also put an embossed image on it, which is great. So look at that. Figure out coffee table book and critique it, essentially. Tell us so give me a cover, give some interior shots, and tell me why you think that this book is well designed, right? Okay, and of course, we are on Making Design Real, the application stage in our book this week, the Design Method book. So have fun, guys. Take a look at that. And, but I think this is a pretty fun week again. Well, I think every week is fun. That's just me. So, all right, guys, we'll keep up the good work. If you need anything, please let me know. I am just an email away. I apologize. I do forget to look in the hands in the air if you have any questions, but I am just an email away if you need anything. All right? So have a productive week and do great things. Great job to this point, guys. Keep up the good work. All right. Bye.